A guide you to verify your YouTube account on mobile. Firstly, you need to come out of your YouTube and then you can go to the Chrome, and in the search bar, you can search for YouTube Studio, and you can comfortable with any of the web browser you want, and you can search for YouTube Studio here. You can tap on YouTube Studio. From there, you need to scroll down. Here you could find, let's say I'm zooming. So here you could find the settings, which is the gear icon. You can tap on that and it will be appear like this. After that, you need to tap on channel, which is below the general, and in that channel you could find feature eligibility. You can tap on that. If you zoom in like this, you could find intermediate features, which is the second option. There you need to tap on eligible, and from there you need to tap on verify phone number. After that, you need to select your country and the phone number. So I can select and type my phone number. There I can tap on next. From there, you need to submit that specific text that you got to the specific message. There you need to submit. After that, you could see the phone number has been verified. This is how you could verify your YouTube account on mobile. Thank you.